Hello everybody. I hope that you've had a good break since last time that I saw you. I hope that you are now comfortable and working hard, getting ready for the new year. Today is going to be our first lesson, our first online lesson. The topic is Off to a Good Start. This is from chapter 1 in your textbooks. What we are going to do today is we are going to focus first on vocabulary, then we are going to do a listening exercise, and then we're going to do a speaking exercise, and then we're going to do a writing exercise, which is due for when you come back to school. Our vocabulary for today are 4 phrases or words that I want you to learn. The first one is habit. The second one is I'm planning to ... Third one, from now on. And the final one is I want to ... more ... Let's begin. So habit, also shipguan, I hope I'm saying that right. We can have good habits or we can have bad habits. So examples of a good habit are eating healthy food, doing my homework, cleaning my room, exercising, and doing chores. Examples of bad habits are sleeping less than 6 hours a night, spending too much time on my cell phone, like Instagram or YouTube or other SNS, forgetting to feed my pet, and being late. I'm very bad at being late. Our vocabulary examples. So, my example is I would ask a friend, what are you planning to do this weekend? And that friend can say, I'm planning to go to the movies. This is very similar to saying, what will you do this weekend? And they can reply, I will go to the movies. From now on, one of my favorite songs from The Greatest Showman, which was a movie, one of my favorite movies. But here are my examples. From now on, I will exercise more. From now on, I will eat better. From now on, I will study harder. So basically, from now on is kind of like making a promise to yourself that you can tell others. So from now on, I will do this more. I will try be a better person or work on a better habit. And now I want to, my examples are, I want to cook more, I want to sleep more, or you can say, I want to spend more time with my dog. Okay, so I want to cook more, so I want to ... more, or I want to ... more ... So now we are going to do a quick listening exercise, and that will include an online quiz for afterwards. So I have put a URL for you to use. I will show you how to put it in, and then you can do the listening exercise and then answer the questions that I've made for you on the quiz maker. So here is how to do that. So on your cell phone or on your computer, I want you to open up your web browser. So over here, I like to use Google Chrome because it works the easiest. So I'll open that up. Now with the URL that I showed you, so we're going to put in http //www.quiz-maker.com Q006 GG6. Press enter. So you can see Yanggok grade 2 lesson 1. Please put in your name. Now you have to listen to the dialogues on the video. You can see this says dialogue 1. What is speaker B's goal this year? And then a 1 in brackets, meaning that there's one answer. This is going to be out of 10 marks. And when you put in the answer, so for example, I'll say that and I press next. Oh no. And then again, you can see dialogue 1. How will they achieve their goal? And 1 mark again. Okay, I hope that makes sense and that it's going to be easy. This exercise is easiest when you have a laptop and a cell phone, or maybe you can borrow 2 cell phones to listen and then to do the quiz. So here is the first dialogue to answer the questions. Let's have a listen.
Do you have any goals for the year?
I'm planning to eat less unhealthy food.
How will you do that?
I will eat more vegetables, and from now on, I will not eat any more fast food.
You can listen to it as many times as you want to answer the questions. Now let's move on to dialogue 2.
I want to exercise more this year.
How are you planning to do that?
From now on, I will go to the gym every Tuesday and Thursday.
Won't that be difficult?
Yes, but my friends are going to the gym too, so we can encourage each other.
Okay, I hope you got that. And finally, let's do dialogue 3. What is your goal for this year?
I want to think more positively.
How will you do that?
I'm planning to spend 5 minutes every day before I go to sleep, thinking about things that make me happy.
That's a very cool idea. I might try that as well. Okay, when you do the quiz, please don't forget to add your name at the beginning and your student number at the end. Be very careful when you answer the questions. Good luck. Let's move on to the speaking practice. So the topic is my goals for the year on page 16 in your textbooks. So on a piece of paper, write 2 goals that you would like to achieve this year. So the piece of paper is going to look a little like this. My first goal is ... My second goal is ... So here is my example. My first goal is to exercise more. My second goal is to read more books this year. Once you have done that, once you have come up with your own examples, then I want you to write 2 ways that you will achieve these goals. So how can you make sure these goals happen? Here are my examples. So for my first goal, to exercise more, I'm planning to run 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays. The next one. Also, I'm going to play more sports. For my second goal, to read more books this year, I'm planning to read 1 new book every month. Also, I'm going to watch less TV and play less computer games. Now, because I can't hear you, because this is an online lesson, I have added a URL to a website that can listen to you speak, and then it writes down what you say. So here is an example of what I mean.
Okay, so on our cell phones, first we are going to click Google Chrome. Then we are going to type in that URL that I showed you. So dictation.io/speech and enter. So this takes us to this website. You can choose English. So I've chosen English South Africa, but you can also choose English United States. Then, when you are ready, you press the microphone and you can speak into it, and it will listen to you. So, here I go. My first goal is to exercise more. I'm planning to run 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. Also, I'm going to play more sports.
I hope you followed that. So, to help you practice speaking, you can do this as your own exercise. You can read your examples of your 2 goals and how you're going to achieve them this year, and see how much the computer can recognize what you are saying. Good luck with that. And now let's move on to the writing exercise. The topic for the writing exercise is to write about what bad habit you want to fix. So remember, we have good habits and bad habits. So you can choose any of these examples, or you can make up any of your own examples that are relevant to you. The next part is the conditions. So, I want you to use at least 7 sentences, and you must include all 3 of the following. From now on, I will ... I want to ... more ... and I'm planning to ... So here is my example that you can use to help your writing. My bad habit is going to bed late. I always go to sleep after 1 o'clock. Every morning I wake up really tired. I want to get more sleep every night so that I am not tired during the day. I'm planning to set my alarm at 11 p.m. every night. When my alarm goes off, I must go to bed. From now on, I will get more than 8 hours of sleep every night. So I have underlined the important parts of sentences that you must include. So the first one, I want to get more sleep every night. The next one, I'm planning to set my alarm at 11 p.m. every night. And the last one, from now on, I will get more than 8 hours of sleep every night. I hope this makes sense. This is going to be due for when you come back to school, and I hope that's going to be soon, because I'm sure you are very bored during the self-isolation periods. Good luck with your listening, speaking and writing exercises, and I hope you have a good day. Bye bye.